List of big players in technology in Saudi Arabia. ChatGPT 7/10. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Saudi Arabia has been actively working to diversify its economy and promote the growth of its technology sector. While I don't have access to real time data, I can provide you with a list of some prominent technology companies and players in Saudi Arabia that were active as of my last update. Please keep in mind that the technology landscape may have evolved since then. Saudi Aramco. While primarily an energy company, Aramco has invested in technology and innovation, especially in the fields of AI, data analytics, and renewable energy. STC. Saudi telecom company STC is a leading telecommunications company in Saudi Arabia and has been actively expanding its digital services and technology solutions. Mobily. Etihad Etisalat, another major telecom operator in Saudi Arabia. Mobily has been involved in providing telecommunication and internet services, and it has also ventured into digital solutions. SABIC, Saudi Basic Industries Corporation, a global leader in petrochemicals. SABIC has been exploring opportunities in advanced materials and chemical innovations. Saudi Vision 2030 Fund. This sovereign wealth fund is playing a crucial role in promoting technology and innovation in Saudi Arabia. It has invested in various tech startups and projects. Saudi Venture Capital Company, SVC is a government-backed venture capital firm that supports tech startups in Saudi Arabia. KAUST, King Abdullah University of Science and Technology. KAUST is a leading research university in Saudi Arabia, known for its contributions to technology and innovation. Cognite, a Saudi-based technology company focusing on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics. Elm is a technology company that provides various solutions, including digital services, e-government, and healthcare technology. Movie is a Saudi tech startup specializing in video-on-demand solutions and online streaming services. Telfaz 11, known for its presence on YouTube. Telfaz 11 is a Saudi media production company that creates digital content and videos. Mishkat Interactive Center. Mishkat is an interactive science and technology museum in Riyadh, promoting science and technology education. Please note that the technology landscape is dynamic, and new players may have emerged, and existing ones may have evolved since my last update. I recommend checking more recent sources or news to get the most up-to-date information on technology players in Saudi Arabia. The suppliers and vendors that work with major technology players in Saudi Arabia. ChatGPT 3/13. The suppliers and vendors that work with major technology players in Saudi Arabia can vary widely based on the specific needs and projects of each technology company. These suppliers and vendors often provide a range of services, components, and solutions to support the operations and growth of these major players. Some common types of suppliers and vendors that work with technology companies in Saudi Arabia include telecommunications equipment providers. Companies like Huawei, Ericsson, and Nokia provide networking infrastructure and telecommunications equipment to telecom giants like STC and Mobily. Cloud service providers. Technology companies often rely on cloud service providers such as Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud for cloud computing and storage solutions. Hardware and electronics suppliers. Companies that manufacture computer hardware, semiconductors, and electronic components may supply tech companies with the necessary equipment for their operations. Major global players include Intel, AMD, and Samsung. Software and application developers. Many technology companies in Saudi Arabia work with software development firms, both local and international, to create custom software solutions, applications, and platforms. Data center providers. Data centers are crucial for storing and managing vast amounts of data. Companies like Equinix and Digital Realty provide data center services and infrastructure. Cybersecurity firms. In a world increasingly concerned with cybersecurity, Technology companies often engage with cybersecurity providers like Palo Alto Networks, Fortinet, and local firms to protect their systems and data. Consulting and integration services. Consulting firms like Deloitte, Accenture, and local consulting companies offer services to help tech companies with strategy, integration, and implementation of technology solutions. Logistics and supply chain services. Companies that provide logistics, supply chain, and procurement services help technology players manage their supply chains efficiently. This is particularly important for companies dealing with hardware and physical products. Research and development partners. Tech companies may collaborate with research institutions, including universities like KUST, to advance their research and innovation efforts. Government and regulatory bodies. In some cases, technology companies may work closely with government agencies and regulatory bodies to ensure compliance with local regulations and standards. Financial services providers. Banks and financial institutions may partner with technology companies to provide financing, loans, and other financial services to support their growth. Marketing and advertising agencies. For marketing and promotional activities, technology companies often collaborate with marketing and advertising agencies to create and implement marketing campaigns. It's important to note that the specific vendors and suppliers that technology players in Saudi Arabia work with will vary based on their industry, size, and individual requirements. Companies may also have a mix of local and international suppliers to meet their needs. Additionally, partnerships and vendor relationships can change over time as companies evolve and adapt to the ever changing technology landscape.